Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So this given here, verify this is a root of this equation. So first of all, what I will do, I will find out the square of this. Two techniques of finding, either write 2 times and multiply like this, and similar again write it and multiply. Multiply means like this and like this. Second technique is using squaring identity. I like that. I'm going to use that one. So first term is 1 square, negative 2 into 1 into root 5 iota, and plus 5 iota whole square. Negative comes here or negative comes here. Any one negative will use the same formula. 1 negative 2 5 iota, and this is a square of a 5. If square of 5 root become 5, and square of iota is very clear, minus 1. So minus 1 into 5 become minus 5. So ultimately it becomes negative 5, negative 2 root 5 iota. So this is the answer of this. Clear. Now I need, because I need cube, so what I'm going to do, I am going to, so this part is over. Now I want
Sir,
to find, yes, please.
why is it -2, not +2?
Yeah, very good question. For example, when you have a minus b whole square formula, so or negative a plus b, I mean to say any one square, sorry, any one sign is negative, not both. So what is the formula? First term square, negative 2 into first term, second term plus second term square. Even this same here, first term negative 2 into first term, second term plus second term square. But if both are negative, then I will deal as a plus. I will deal as a plus. I think got the idea. Hold
Yes,
on,
sir.
one
Thank you.
further example. So here A, here B, B, here A, here B, B, here A, and B, and B. So I think got idea. Any one sign is a negative, we'll put in the middle with a 2 negative. But if both signs are positive, or both signs are negative, or both signs are positive, I will deal as a positive. I think the point is very clear. Let's move on next. This point is clear.
Sir, it's -4, I guess.
Yes, thank you very much. Negative. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. On the right time, you said. Okay, -4. After this, what is the next plan? Next plan is -1 plus root 5 iota I to power 3. When you deal this one, so it turns to be -1 plus root 5 iota power 2 into -1 plus root 5 iota to power 1. Repeat, like x to power cube means x to power square into x. Same criteria. This x cube, this x square, and this is simple x. But this answer I just expanded, and this answer, this whole value will come in the place of it. So I'm going to copy and have a look now how I can do it. Now just manually multiply everything. Then inshallah I can get it very easily. Okay. So have a look now. So this answer I will get from the top. -4 negative root 2 root 5 iota times to -1 plus 5 root iota. Okay, this into this I get a 4. This into this I get -4 root 5 iota. This time to this minus minus plus 2 root 5 iota. And this time to this plus minus minus 2. And you know root 5 into root 5 give you 5. Iota and iota become iota square, give you -1. So ultimately it means that this negative I2 outside and root 5 iota, it gives you give us -5. And ultimately 4, and these two values we can simplify. -4 and plus 2 will give you -2 root 5 iota, and negative plus 5 2s are 10, and 10 plus 4 give you 14. And now I have it, everything. And now I just plug in the values. Get ready. And this is a question I have to replace. So if I have to verify the root, so I will replace every value by -1 plus root 5 iota. If I plug in here, I get a cube. If I plug in here, I get square. If I plug in here, I get as it is. And -18 equal to 0. This answer, I have it here. How come? Because this fully match. So this value will go here, but outside 2. So 14 minus 2 root of 5 iota. Now this value come from here. It means this. So I'm copying, this is a -4, so -4 I'm writing here. 6 multiply inside, I get -6 plus 6 root 5 iota. -18 equals to 0. So 2 multiply both in the bracket, a 28, 4 root of 5 iota, -4, 2 root 5 iota, and -6 plus 6 root 5 iota, and -18 equals to 0. First, I deal numbers. You see, this -6, -4 become -10. These two, -10 and -8, become -28. So 28 positive and 28. Okay. Now, this -2 root 5 and -4, it gives us -6 root 5 iota. And this is already available plus root 6 5 iota. So this is a common sense. They simplify like that, and this becomes 0 equal to 0. So verified. So verified what? -1 plus root 3 and root 5 iota is root of equation. So first job is Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen clear. So after this, we'll go for part B. So part number B is same question is to find other roots of the equation. How to find this one? It is understood that this is a one root of this one verified. Common sense, the second root is always conjugate. So second root is what? Second root is understood is coming conjugate. That is a -1 root 5 iota. Conjugate means with iota, what a sign, change it, and that is called conjugate. And now sum of the both roots, if I find sum of the roots, both roots. So it means this and this, add them. When I add them, -1 plus root 5 iota and -1 -5 root iota. This and this fully cancel, I get -2. Now product of the roots. So product of the roots becomes multiply. So this and this multiply. So -1 plus root 5 iota and -1 root 5 iota. And we know that what is basic criteria, you can do manually or use formula, but anyway, you can use even manual. So, or I can use the technique, first term match. Okay, I think better to use the other one. I got a 1 and I multiply, I got 5 root iota. I multiply here, I got -5 root iota. I multiply with that, this become root 5 become 5 and iota square. And these two terms same, they cancel out. Okay, I'm showing you how they cancel out. And this turned to be iota square is -1, +5 plus 5. So it means I got 6. And we have a special equation, x square minus sum of the roots times 2x plus product of the roots is equal to 0 is a special equation. Yeah, if we have roots given, how to get the quadratic equation? So there's a formula. I'm going to plug in sum of the roots is sum of the roots is -2 and product root is 6. So I'm going to plug in. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got equation correct. I mean, okay, easily. I mean to say, okay, right. After this one, how to find it? You remember whenever we need to find the third root. Power 3 means 3 roots. Root number 1 is this. Root number 2 is this. Third root I don't know. And when I combine these two, will give this quadratic equation. So I will write this quadratic equation outside the long division sign. So because I just tell you one thing, what is the power of x? That is root. So 3 power means 3 roots. And these 2 roots I got from here and here. It means this equation means 2 roots outside. And here I will get a third root. So let's start long division. X square multiply what to give you this answer? I repeat, x square multiply what to give you 2x to power 3. Common sense, 2x.
2x.
Thank you. 2x into this, I get 2x to power 3. 2x into this, I get 4x to power 2. 2x into this, I get 12x. And you know it always rule. Rule we have, sign changes. This cancel out. And in this way, I got negative 3x to power 2, negative 6x, negative 18. Again, this x square, the first equation, multiply what to give you negative 3x to power 2, negative 3x. Because x, no, sorry, 3x only, 3 only. Why, sir? Because it is already x square matches, so it means minus 3 only. So this minus 3 I'm copying on the top. So I hope so the job is almost going to finish. Okay. Now this minus 3 multiply all values. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And I'm getting it. And you know its sign must change, and they cancel out. And I get a 0 answer. So it means third, this is called third root. Actually, this is called 2 roots. Third root is on top. So third root which I got is 2x minus 3. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Question is completely over.
By 2.
So the root is, this is not a root, student, this is called factor. So third factor is this one. And whenever we need root, we put equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0. And this give you x is equals to 3 over 2. So root, we have 3 now. Okay. Root number 1 is this. Root number 2 is this. And third root is this. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And after all, this is called factor. This is called factor. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, we got all 3 roots clear.